Recently, President of United States signed an executive order stating America has the right to explore and use resources from outer space. The order also said that US did not see space as a common area and didn't need a permission of international agreements to get started. But why do USA wants to mine on moon? And what are the benefits? Well, let's find out. The United States, along with other spacefaring countries, does not recognize 1979's Moon Treaty, which states that countries will not mine resources in outer space, including our natural satellite moon. The executive order signed by President Trump clarifies that United States does not view space as a common ground, thus paving the way for mining activities outside the Earth's atmosphere without any international treaty to resist it. But why do United States along with other countries including Britain and Russia haven't signed the agreement? The reason is very simple. Moon contains abundant amount of natural resources including silicon, rare earth elements, titanium and aluminium. United States have less access to minerals compared to other parts of the world including China and Russia. By mining the minerals on moon, United States can get hands on precious minerals available on moon. United States mining moon will make them more powerful economy wise and military wise. Availability of such rare elements will make them economically strong, and having withhold on moon with their independent space force make them militarily strong. This can make US dictate world economy. But US is not the only country who wants to mine on moon. Russia, United Kingdom, China and other whole amount of countries are trying to land on moon and mine its resources. In future, due to involvement of more than one country, it is sure that no one country is going to dictate the world economy and its activities. On a flip side, United States think moon as a refueling station for its planetary and interstellar missions. And it do make sense. Having a refueling station in space means rocket can travel further into space before worrying about running out of fuel. As moon's gravity is much weaker than that of Earth, it takes about 20 times less energy to launch a spacecraft from moon's surface into Earth's orbit compared to launching it from Earth's surface. It will pave the way for mankind to travel more distant planets like Mars. It will make traveling to Mars more easy and can enable us to form a colony not only on moon but also on Mars. So if US along with other spacefaring countries mine moon in limited manner just for space exploration purposes, the day is not far away when humans will go beyond Earth into interstellar space.